Japan has long been known as one of the countries with the most developed fisheries industry in the world. The fishing and seafood processing industry plays an important role in the country's economy, providing a rich source of food for the domestic market and for export. In an era of strong technological development, Japanese fishermen have moved from small sailing boats to modern ships, fully equipped with advanced technology to exploit marine resources more effectively. Modern boat technology in the Japanese fishing industry. One of the most important factors that has helped the Japanese fishing industry achieve the success it has today is the advancement in fishing technology. Videos on this YouTube channel often introduce modern fishing boats, equipped with radar systems, positioning devices, and automatic control devices to search for schools of fish in the shortest time. Purse nets are an indispensable tool, with the ability to catch a large number of fish in just one cast. Videos often clearly describe how purse seine nets work, from dropping the net, surrounding the fish school to pulling the net onto the boat. These scenes are not only highly technical but also demonstrate the scale and professionalism of the Japanese fishing industry. Main types of fish in the purse seine fishing industry. The fishing industry in Japan has evolved over many historical periods, from traditional manual methods to the application of modern technology. In the videos on this YouTube channel, we can see the clear difference between the past and the present. This helps viewers better understand the evolution of the Japanese fishing industry and why the country has become one of the world's largest fishing powers. Japanese fishermen often rely on manual methods, such as drop nets or hand lines, to catch fish. Small boats, powered by wind or oars, can only go out to sea for short periods and bring back a small amount of fish. This method is labor-intensive and time-consuming, but it ensures sustainability, as fishermen usually only catch enough to sustain their daily lives. The biggest change to the Japanese fishing industry came with the introduction of motorboats and diesel engines in the mid-20th century. This opened a new era for fishermen, allowing them to venture farther, catch more fish, and stay at sea longer. This YouTube channel features videos of the first mechanized boats, with their large nets and advanced techniques, helping Japan become a leading seafood exporter. Today, Japanese fishing boats are equipped with the latest technology to optimize fishing efficiency. Videos on the channel often detail the advanced GPS, radar, and sonar systems used to detect schools of fish from a distance. Helping fishermen find large stocks of fish without wasting time. In addition, the boats are equipped with automated systems for pulling nets and sorting fish on board, reducing manual labor and increasing production speed. Challenges facing Japan's fishing industry. Despite its success in developing its fishing industry, Japan has faced major challenges in recent years. Videos on this YouTube channel do not hesitate to address issues such as depleted fish stocks, marine pollution, and increasingly fierce international competition. These issues are putting great pressure on both fishermen and the Japanese government to find sustainable solutions. Overfishing has led to the scarcity of many fish species, especially valuable species such as cod and pufferfish. Videos on the channel provide insight into how fish stocks in many Japanese waters have been severely depleted, forcing fishermen to venture farther out to find large schools of fish. To address this, the Japanese government has implemented strict controls on catch quotas and fishing seasons to protect marine resources. Fishermen also have to comply with these regulations, and the videos on the channel document how they cooperate with the authorities to maintain the sustainability of the industry. Another challenge facing the Japanese fishing industry is marine pollution, especially from plastic waste and chemicals. In the videos on the channel, we can see the negative impacts of pollution on marine ecosystems and fish resources. Plastic waste not only harms fish and marine life, but also affects the quality of seafood caught. The Japanese fishing industry is also facing competition from other countries in the Asian region such as South Korea and China, where fishing technology is increasingly advanced. In addition, climate change has also affected the habitat of many fish species, causing them to move further north, away from Japan's traditional waters. Another highlight of this YouTube channel's content is the harmonious combination of tradition and modernity in the lives and work of Japanese fishermen. Despite using advanced technology, Japanese fishermen still preserve and respect traditional cultural values. The Japanese fishing industry is not only closely linked to the economy but also has a close relationship with the spiritual life of coastal people. In the videos, we can see traditional festivals and rituals of fishermen, such as praying for a bountiful fishing season, or worshipping the sea god before going to sea. These rituals show the respect of the Japanese people. This YouTube channel often focuses on fish species with high economic value, such as cod, herring and puffer fish. These are fish species that are not only popular on Japanese dining tables but also have high demand in the international market. Cod is one of the most valuable fish species that Japanese fishermen often target. With its delicious taste and high nutritional value, cod is often processed into many famous dishes such as sushi, sashimi, or grilled dishes. Herring is a popular fish, often used in many traditional Japanese dishes. Not only is it easy to preserve and process, herring is also reasonably priced and brings stable economic value to fishermen. Puffer fish is famous not only for its economic value but also for its dangerous processing. However, if handled properly, puffer fish is a favorite delicacy of many people, especially in high-end restaurants. After the fish is caught, the subsequent processing and production process is an extremely important step in the seafood supply chain in Japan. The videos on the channel often describe in detail the transportation, preservation and processing process immediately after the fish is brought to shore. Modern fishing boats are often equipped with cold storage on board to keep the fish fresh during the transportation to shore. When the fish are brought to the factory, they will be classified, cleaned and packaged before being sent to the market. This process is automated and strictly controlled to ensure the quality of the output product. The seafood industry plays an important role in the Japanese economy, especially in coastal communities. From fishing to processing, millions of Japanese people are involved in this supply chain. This not only creates jobs but also contributes significantly to the country's GDP. Sustainability and environmental protection in the fishing industry. One of the biggest challenges facing the fishing industry worldwide is protecting marine resources from overexploitation. Japan, with its focus on technology and sustainable development, has taken taken many measures to protect fish resources. Regulations on fishing quotas, fishing seasons, and the use of technology to monitor fish reproduction are important solutions that Japan is applying. Japan and the fishing industry provides an overview, from modern technology to economic value and a comprehensive supply chain. With rich content, high-quality images and detailed information, the channel not only serves entertainment needs but also has a high educational value. To the sea and the sea gods. Despite the adoption of many modern technologies, Japanese fishermen still maintain some traditional fishing techniques, especially manual fishing methods. These methods not only ensure sustainability but also demonstrate their attachment and respect for the marine environment. Some videos also introduce how younger generations of fishermen are taught these techniques, ensuring that they are not lost. Despite facing many challenges, Japan's seafood industry still has the potential to grow strongly in the future. The videos on this YouTube channel present some new trends and potential solutions for the industry to continue to maintain its important position in the Japanese and world economies. Aquaculture is being seen as a sustainable solution to reduce pressure on wild fish stocks. Japan has begun to develop many models of farming high-value fish species such as tuna and cod. The videos on the channel introduce the farming process, from selecting breeds, caring for them to harvesting, and highlight the advantages of this model in protecting marine resources. Japan not only wants to maintain its domestic market but also promote the export of seafood products to international market. The videos on the channel show the strategy of Japanese enterprises in improving product quality, ensuring international standards and promoting Japanese seafood brands as a symbol of quality and prestige. Japan and the fishing industry not only bring viewers realistic images of fishermen's lives but also provide in-depth knowledge of an important industry in Japan. From modern technology to traditional methods, from economic value to environmental challenges, the channel is truly a valuable resource for those interested in the Japanese seafood industry. One of the unique highlights of this YouTube channel's journey to explore the Japanese seafood industry is the fascinating sight of giant squid fishing. Squid fishing is an art that requires skill, patience, and technique, especially when the target is giant squid. The use of traditional fishing lines on modern large boats creates a wonderful combination of ancient fishing techniques and modern technology. The first scene opens with the blue sky of the deep sea of Japan, where giant squid fishing boats depart from the port early in the morning. The boats are fully equipped with modern equipment. But what impresses viewers is the way the fishermen carefully prepare the fishing lines. The fishing lines are hundreds of meters long, with a series of pre-attached baits to attract giant squid from the deep sea. The fishermen share traditional techniques in choosing baits and dropping lines to attract large squid. Catching giant squid is not as simple as the common small squid. The footage from the boat shows the tension as the fishermen patiently wait for the squid to bite. With their large size, giant squid can weigh up to several hundred kilograms. So when they bite, the fishing line must withstand enormous pulling force. Once a squid is hooked, viewers will see the fishermen working together to pull the line up. The realistic footage shows how strong the squid's pulling force is, sometimes requiring the help of a line puller to complete the process. The sound of the fishing line whistling in the wind, combined with the cheers of the fishermen, creates a suspenseful and dramatic atmosphere. This is where modern technology on large boats comes into play, helping to reduce the effort and time required to pull the squid. After a long tug of war, the giant squid gradually floats to the surface of the water, creating a majestic sight. The huge squid, which can be several meters long, with powerful tentacles wriggling, create an image that is both amazing and challenging. The sunlight shines down on the water, reflecting light on the squid's shiny body, making the scene even more impressive. The video also takes time for fishermen to share their emotions and joy when they successfully pull in a giant squid. For them, this is not only a job but also a source of pride when they successfully tame these giant sea creatures. Immediately after the squid is pulled onto the boat, the processing and preservation process takes place quickly. The fishermen use tools to clean and classify the squid right on the boat. The modern cold storage system on the boat helps keep the squid fresh, ensuring the highest quality when it reaches shore. The giant squid will then be processed into many high-value seafood products, especially traditional dishes in Japanese cuisine. Science and technology play a key role in ensuring the sustainable development of Japan's fisheries industry. Thanks to its remarkable advances in technology, Japan has become a leading country in applying smart solutions to the process of fishing, processing and protecting marine resources. This YouTube channel not only provides a look at modern equipment but also explains how science and technology support fishermen in optimizing economic efficiency and protecting the environment. One of the most important technologies introduced on the YouTube channel is the sonar fish school detection and positioning system. This system helps fishermen quickly locate large schools of fish in the ocean, thereby reducing search time and increasing fishing efficiency. Sonar can detect fish density at great depths, helping fishermen harvest more without affecting the lives of other fish species. Videos often show Japanese fishermen using advanced radar and positioning devices, and explain how these technologies help them ensure higher and more accurate catches. The system also reduces the waste of time and resources during fishing. The purse seine nets widely used in the Japanese fishing industry have undergone major improvements in design and functionality. Videos on the YouTube channel not only showcase the enormous size and durability of the nets, but also how they are equipped with sensors to ensure that only the target fish are caught. Modern purse seine nets are capable of automatically closing when the required number of fish is caught, minimizing the capture of unwanted species. This is especially important in protecting endangered fish species and helping to maintain the ecological balance in the ocean. The technology also aids in quality control of fish products, ensuring that fish are harvested in the best condition. Another major innovation showcased on the channel is smart fishing vessels, which incorporate remote control, automation, and artificial intelligence (IA) technology. Modern Japanese fishing vessels can operate with fewer crew members, but are more efficient thanks to automated systems for catching and processing fish. Videos show that the vessels are able to sort fish on board, store them in deep freezers, and even plan their catches based on data from weather and oceanographic forecasting systems. Smart ship technology helps reduce labor costs, increase output and product quality, and ensure that fishermen can fish more safely and efficiently even in harsh weather conditions. Japan's seafood industry not only plays an important role in the national economy, but also has a major influence on culinary cultures around the world. With Japan being one of the major seafood exporting countries, fish dishes such as sushi and sashimi have become symbols of Japanese cuisine and are popular worldwide. Sushi and sashimi are two of the most typical dishes of Japanese cuisine. Made from fresh fish such as tuna, salmon, and cod. In many videos, the YouTube channel focuses on the process of catching and preserving fish in the freshest way to prepare high-end sushi dishes. From selecting the best quality fish to processing and transporting the fish to restaurants. The videos show how the Japanese seafood industry directly serves the sophisticated culinary needs of the country and the world. Scenes filmed in famous Japanese sushi restaurants, where talented chefs prepare fresh ingredients directly from the catch, create appeal not only to the Japanese people but also to global food lovers. In addition to fresh food, Japan is also famous for its processed fish products such as dried fish, canned fish, and packaged seafood. This YouTube channel provides a lot of information about the processing and exporting of these products to international markets. From Asia, Europe to North America, the videos show the strict process from selecting raw materials, processing to packaging and shipping, ensuring that the products reach consumers with the highest quality. Japanese processed seafood